Welcome to RS Kids Art.
Hello kids, today we are drawing beautiful house and rainbow drawing. Let's start. We'll make a beautiful house and rainbow drawing. Wait for end. We complete beautiful house drawing. We complete trees drawing. We complete beautiful rainbow drawing. We complete beautiful house and rainbow drawing. Let's enhance little bit. Now fill the colors.
Dark green color. Magenta color. Sea green color. Green color. Brown color. Dark orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Dark blue color.
We complete beautiful house and rainbow drawing with colors.
Thanks for watching.